Good morning, everyone. It is, Thursday, September 16th. It's been a while since the last, upload that I've recorded anything. I've just been super busy with work, and now we are waking up for Thursday. I'm literally in bed right now. I just woke up like 2 minutes ago, so I'm gonna go get ready and then record the part 2 of this 100k series. Now, I was trading the entire time, and I'm not gonna lie, we are literally 1.6% away from blowing this account, so I think that's what's gonna happen today. And yeah, I'll bring you guys along. Okay guys, well, we made it to the basement, and I'm gonna try to be as quiet as possible. Why am I moving away from the thing? There we go. I'm gonna try to be as quiet as possible because the fam is still asleep, but it is the second part to this 100k series, and like I said, we're about 1.8% away from blowing this account because I was still trading while going to work, which is a big no-no. I caught some nice moves, and then the rest were just kind of loss after loss after loss. So we're just gonna see if we end up blowing the account today. It is what it is. I will take you guys onto the computer. Alrighty guys, we are in a NASDAQ trade off of the 1 minute 13 EMA break. Saw that it broke right over here. I have my stops below and TP somewhere up here. I'm not risking a lot on this trade. It's around a $500 loss, so about 0.5% risk on this trade, and we're potentially trying to gain around 2k. Yeah, that's basically it. So I'll bring you guys back when something does happen. Okay, so not long after that clip, we ended up hitting our stop loss over here. Price just reversed, so it is what it is. I thought it was just going to continue pushing on up, but it didn't happen, so we're just going to leave it, wait to see if anything else happens, and I'll bring you guys back. To be honest, I'm just trying to blow this account, basically, so I'll take a bunch of trades here and there. There's no way of me recovering this account. There's just simply no way. Okay, well, I tried taking aggressive entry over here, right over here. Just the way that this candle basically closed, I'm like, oh, price could flip here. We can see how the candle almost closed in a sort of bullish hammer style, taking out this sort of liquidity down here. And then I just noticed it started to pump on up, and I decided to re-enter. So we're currently in another trade. We're just gonna see what happens. This is more of an aggressive entry without any sort of candle close confirmation. So we'll just wait to see what happens. I'll bring you guys back. Okay, it seems like we might get stopped out here. You guys are about to see this live. Yep, there we go. There's 1 minute till market open. We got $351 until we blow this account, so might as well go all in on market open. Let's see what market open does. Did I get in a good price? This would surely make us blow our account. And that is it. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. We ended up blowing the 100k account. Honestly, I don't feel too good about that, but it is what it is. It's all part of the trading game. I'm actually pretty upset about that, but what can you do, you know? Oh, there goes the next candle pushing on up. Yeah, I think I might go back to futures. I don't think I'm gonna stay with CFD. Although the static drawdown is good, I think I might go back to futures. So that's the end of the 100k series. We ended up blowing the account, so it is what it is. I will probably take a break this week and come back next week with top step accounts again and try to pass those ones again. So yeah, I will see you guys all next week. Alrighty guys, so we ended up blowing the account. It is what it is, stuff like that happens. I kind of wanted to because at this point I would have to make around close to 20% to just pass phase 1. So I just wanted to blow the account and possibly go back to futures just because futures, it has a lower profit target. I managed within the 100K account to hit 3%, which would have been the profit, or $3,000, which would have been the profit goal on the futures account. So right now I would have had a funded futures account that I could be trading. So I'm just gonna go back to futures because it's a lot easier to pass. I know I'm gonna miss this static drawdown, but I think it's the static drawdown that caused my sort of downfall, because I would always be like, okay, I have 5% static daily drawdown. I'm just gonna try and pass this account within today and not hit my static drawdown. So I just kind of used that as an excuse to keep over trading and revenge trading. So yeah, the plan moving forward is I'm going to do or start a futures challenge, and I'm probably not going to be recording it this time. I think I'm just going to be taking, I'm going to record here and there when I feel like it, and probably when I pass the challenge I'll record a video about it. But yeah, I think that's it. That concludes the 100K CFD prop firm challenge. Ended up in an L. It is what it is. We move on.